Most of the dental prospects that visit your website aren't ready to choose you to solve their dental problems. But there is one proven way that you can lure them into a relationship, that you can nurture them until they are ready. After the break, I want to tell you about dental advertising lures and how to implement them into your marketing. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Patient Attraction Podcast. Now, there's been a lot of research on the decision-making process, and there's a lot of different models. And one thing the researchers agree on is that decision-making is a process, and generally that process takes time to play out. Now, when it comes to choosing a dentist, prospects may spend quite a bit of time looking at their options. In fact, Google says they reference 10 to 11 different sources of information before they make any decisions. Now, you might wish that prospects would just make up their mind instantly, but the fact is they don't. And that is actually good news for you because they might instantly decide to pick somebody else. And as it is now, you have a chance to establish a relationship that you can build on. And that's where advertising lures come into play. An advertising lure is what we call, and it's basically an offer of free stuff on your website. For dentists, it's usually a free book, a white paper, an article, some kind of report that speaks directly to your prospect's concerns or desires. Now, the dental advertising lure is free in the sense that it doesn't cost your prospect any money, but it does require them to give up their email address or their phone number. Those email addresses and phone numbers are key to keeping you top of mind until your prospect is ready to choose you. You need to provide your prospects who have taken that lure with a steady stream of extremely relevant, helpful content at just the right intervals. Not too often, not too less. To make the most of your advertising lures, aim your prospects towards your website. That's where they can learn the most about you, right? And focused on lures that attract high-value cases. Depending on your practice, that might be cosmetic dentistry, it might be dental implants or dentures, full mouth reconstruction are just a few examples. Lure your prospects with that offer, the free book, the report, and you'll have a chance to convert them and build that trust over the long haul. Tomorrow's podcast coming tomorrow. Keep moving forward.